Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Alt text in Word is a text description of a document image that helps improve user accessibility. Alt text in Word is greatly improved in Word 2019 and Word for Office 365. Word now automatically generates alt text for images you insert from your local computer into your document. To view the alt text for a selected document picture, click the Alt Text button in the Accessibility button group on the Picture Format Contextual tab in the ribbon to open the alt text pane at the right side of the window. The current alt text description appears within the large white text box in the alt text pane. To try and automatically generate a description of the picture if there is no description yet entered, click the Generate a Description for Me button that appears in this pane. This button only appears when there is no text entered into this text box. Therefore, you can also delete the text from this text box, and then click this button after it appears again to attempt to automatically create a description if desired. Alternatively, to type your own description, click into the large white text box and type a simple description of the image. If the image is purely decorative, you can skip the description and instead check the Mark as Decorative checkbox to not distract the reader. To close the alt text pane, click the X button in its upper right corner. Note that in previous versions of Word, you set the alt text property by clicking the Layout and Properties category icon within the Format Picture task pane to display the text box and alt text category groupings. The options in the text box category grouping can only change the properties of text boxes in Word art. You can click the text box category grouping to expand it if needed and display those options. However, if an image is selected, these category options appear grayed out and unavailable. We will review these settings in a lesson on formatting shapes in a later chapter. In previous versions of Word, clicking the alt text category grouping that appeared in this pane then let you expand it if needed and display the options for entering alternate text for the selected image. You could then enter a title for the image into the title text box and then enter a description of the image into the description text box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.